I'm going to talk to you, it's not the usual mumbo-jumbo of neuroscience and trying to tell you how cool it is, how we get at the core metrics of attention, emotion, memory, and purchase intent and all that stuff. That's not what I'm here to tell you about. I want to talk about two things that I have observed.
What this conference is creating is just a really nice window into
different technologies that are available and what people are doing and what end clients are doing.
Probably actually maybe even more important than any other conference I can go to.
In terms of the content, the quality of the speakers.
This is where I'm going to find out the cutting edge tools that are going to become mainstream in a few years.
When that happens, imagine the implication of that for research. Imagine the implication of that for how we mine data. Believe it or not, the power that we have in that cell phone on the other side, it's more than the power that NASA had on a computer when they put a man on the moon. Now that's the power we all have.
I think there have been some really great speakers at this conference.
Jane McGonigal's keynote today on gamification.
And really maybe even changing the operating system of the way we connect with people.
You've got just an incredible way of looking at the DNA of consumers.
And certainly secure the position of market research organizations in the future, since data is commoditized at this point. We're not the keepers of the data, we can be the keepers of the insight and strategy.
So for me, I'm taking that back and I'm thinking, what do we need to do and where can we go with this?
So this is my source of inspiration.
Excellent.
The value is learning from people that you would never ever be able to be in the same room with if you didn't.
The thought leaders, the innovators, the influencers, the change agents. This is the place.
For example, I'm having a drink with the research department of Chrysler, for example. When in the UK is that ever possible?
Number two, it's also, of course, you build up your network. And number three will be also a learning experience for most of the people,
Wow, there are just all these really exciting avenues that we could be looking at that could round out the way we're looking at what research means to our organization.
If you then want to figure out what tools you're going to be using in 5 years and what the technologies are that are impacting the market, then you need to go to this event.
So I would say it's definitely a must for people who really want to improve their input for market research.